Hi there, this is Dean here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create PayPal account without credit card or even bank account, step by step. Welcome back. As we all know, PayPal is a payment processing company that allows people to send and receive money online. It is one of the most popular ways to pay for things online, and it is used by millions or even billions of people all over the world. But the problem, if you don't have a bank account or credit card, there are other ways to get started with PayPal. You can create an account without any of these things by providing just your email address and creating a password. And of course, this is not available for all countries. And in today's tutorial, we'll be showing you one of the ways to do this and to create a personal PayPal account without any credit card or bank account. Of course, you can add this information if you want to, and for more efficiency and protection for your account. The first step is to head on to the link in the description below, where you will be redirected to the mentioned link, which allows you to create an account without any credit card or bank account. So make sure you use that link. Great. So just hit it. This will open a new window where your link will be scanned and prepared to be redirected. Just be patient. Allow a few seconds. Great. As you have noticed, this is the Canadian PayPal homepage, which is almost the only homepage which allows you to create an account without credit card or bank account, just using your mobile phone number. Some of the benefits of using PayPal are accepting payments online with your business name and logo, receive payments from people all over the world, and get payment too from anyone with a credit or debit card. Also, you can accept payments without having to set up a merchant account and access your funds instantly. If you want the full details about the pros and cons of PayPal, so just check our review on the links below. That being said, let's start creating our account. So the first step is to head on to the top button in the top in here, says sign up, click on it. And here you will be redirected to choose between personal account or business account. Here we'll be selecting personal account. You can read all the details to know the difference between the personal and business account, or as we said, check our review. Next, sign up for a personal account. After that, you select where do you live. So here we'll be selecting. You can still select French and English, the languages from below. Great, let's get started. Well done. So the first step is to provide a valid phone number. For this step, you can use one of the virtual SMS message services. The link will be provided below, so just select Canada from here. Well done. As you can see, it's still fresh. You can still update messages. Next, just copy the link. Right, go back to the space and paste it. Remove that one. Now we are good to go. Now let's hit next and wait for the confirmation code to be sent to your mobile number. If you do not receive the code, then you just hit send code again. So after entering the code, you will be redirected to this page where you need to set up your profile. This information is important and must be accurate and genuine if you want your profile to be protected and secure. Right, we'll fill in all this information, then come back. After filling in all the details, just hit next. Make sure you save your password and your usernames and the email that you have registered with. You may be asked later for these details or when you want to log in to the portal. Great. Next. Here you need also to specify more details like date of birth, address, postal code, etc. All this information, occupation, and all these things. Next, you can select stay logged in for faster checkouts. There is no need to enter your password every time you shop on this device, but you can use this. Will be useful to avoid the hassle of connecting all the time. Next, you can opt for newsletters from PayPal. Just opt out. We'll fill in all this detail, then come back. After making sure you fill in all the details, If you have any issues getting your postal code for any reason, then you can Google it just by entering your city and next to it the postal code and good. After that, at the end, you select your occupation. The moment of truth, just hit agree and create account. And voila. So you are in. What's next? As you can see from here, you can start sending and shopping with ease without any problems from just within these few steps. There is no need to enter any credit card or anything else. We go back to the home page of PayPal. And voila, and you find that your account is set. Now what you need to do next is just to activate security options. So just head on to the top security and you will select two-step verification. Instead of using the mobile number that we have entered at the beginning, we'll be using an authenticator app. Set it up.
www.raqmedia.com.
Great. Now all we need to do is just to scan with your mobile phone. Check the links below to get the application that you will be using. You need to enter the 6-digit which appear on the application. And that's it. So here your account is created and it is active, and as you can see, you can send, request money as you like, and you can opt for linking a credit card later, or you just use it to receive money, especially if you are living in Canada or the US. Stay tuned for our coming tutorial in which we show you how to link your credit card or bank account safely. And with this we have reached the end. Keep tuned for our coming tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please have them below and subscribe if you want more helpful videos like this. See you around. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it, click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com.